Are you struggling with SSH key issues while trying to connect to your DigitalOcean droplet? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the frustrating error message. Sign and send pub key. Signing failed. Agent refused operation. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you're trying to set up a new server and run into roadblocks like this. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you just want to get things done. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently configured a new DigitalOcean droplet with SSH keys. They ran the command to copy their SSH key, but instead of a smooth connection, they received that pesky error message. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the SSH agent is refusing to sign the key, which can happen for a few reasons. We'll break down the possible causes and how to fix them. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the issue, the user should ensure that the SSH agent is running. This can be done by executing the command to start the SSH agent in the terminal. Next, the user needs to add their SSH key to the agent. This is crucial because the agent must have the key loaded to authenticate successfully. After adding the key, the user should verify that the key has been successfully added to the SSH agent. This can be checked with a simple command. Finally, the user can attempt to SSH into the server again. If everything is set up correctly, the user should be able to log in without being prompted for a password. Fun fact, did you know that SSH stands for Secure Shell? It's a protocol that allows you to securely connect to remote servers. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is quite straightforward. They suggest first running the command SSH add and then attempting to connect using SSH, followed by the IP address. This method worked for them. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution comes from another user who faced the same SSH error. They suggest using the verbose mode by adding the VV option when connecting. This will provide detailed debugging information that can help identify the root cause of the issue. In their case, the verbose output revealed that the public key file was not found due to a naming issue. They fixed it by ensuring the public key file was named correctly, which resolved the error. The key takeaway is to always use the SSH verbose mode to troubleshoot issues, as it can uncover hidden problems that might not be obvious. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution provided by another user is to run the command SSH add on your client machine. After that, you should repeat the SSH copy ID command to add your SSH key to the server. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. One user found a solution to the signing failed error by correcting the PineEntry path in their GPG agent configuration. They discovered that the PineEntry program property was pointing to an outdated path. After updating it and restarting the GPG agent, the issue was resolved. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user found that the issue was caused by the GNOME keyring holding an invalid passphrase for their SSH key. They discovered this by using the Seahorse application, which showed an empty entry for the passphrase. After correcting the passphrase, the problem was resolved. They also mentioned that deleting the incorrect entry and re-entering the passphrase at the prompt could fix the issue as well. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always ensure your SSH agent is running and your keys are added before trying to connect. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to connect to your DigitalOcean droplet without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos.